Once a man passing the elephants, he suddenly stopped. He was confused by the fact that these huge elephants were being held by only a small rope tied to their front leg. There was no chains, no cages. It was obvious that these elephants could break it any time, but for some reasons they did not. There was a trainer nearby. That man asked him why these animals just stood there and made no attempt to get away. The trainer said, when they were very young and much smaller, we used the same size of rope to tie them, and at that age it is enough to hold them. As they grow up, they were controlled to believe that they cannot break it. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never try. The man was amazed because these animals could at any time break free from their bonds. But because they don't believe, they stuck right where they were. Like the elephant, how many of us go through life hanging on to a belief that we cannot do something simply because we failed once? My dear friend, failure is a part of life and it is a part of learning. No matter how much the world tries to hold you back, always continue the belief that whatever you want to achieve in your life, it is possible. Believing you can become successful, it is the most important step actually achieving it. So, believe in yourself. All the best.